Welcome to Dr. Jester Rants, and I'm gonna rant about this retarded bull fucking shit. From Bounty to Comics, Blizzard announces various World of Warcraft locations and NPCs will be renamed in wake of California sexual harassment panda lawsuit. Sorry, too much South Park, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, Activision Blizzard will rename various locations and NPCs featured in World of Warcraft following their decision to rename popular Overwatch gunslinger Jesse McCree. Well, turns out people are way too triggered, and way too triggered over this. Isn't McCree? No. What was it? There was a creator that only appeared in one fucking picture of the famous Cosby suite, and they canceled the dude. Well, then again, Blizzard and Activision are woke shit fucks. Either way, look at this screenshot. He kind of aged badly, haven't they? Yeah. Either way. McCree was recently let go from the company after appearing. Oh, yeah, so it's him. Recently appearing in a photograph in what is alleged to be the Crosby suite. The Crosby suite was referenced in a sexual harassment panda lawsuit against the company filed by the state of California. In a lawsuit, they explained the senior creative director of World of Warcraft at Blizzard Entertainment, Alex Afrasiabi, was known to engage in harassment of females, that his suite was nicknamed the Crosby Suite after alleged and non-convicted and apparently innocent Bill Crosby. Yeah. Anyway, they are absolutely renaming because the guy just came out on a picture. That's about it. Are these people... Well, they lack self-awareness, what do you expect? Anyway, the Washington Post, Nathan Grayson. Oh, the guy really did finally reach his dream to work on a rag. He came out of bottom feeders to work on a rag. Fascinating. It took him a good chunk of a decade or more to finally come out of bottom feeders, PC Gamer, Kotaku, and shit fucks like that, to work on the Washington Post, which is another bottom feeder, but slightly above on the top of a bottom feeder. What was it? Pyramid. I botched that. Revealed that Blizzard employee informed him that 5 character names and 1 city name that are in reference to McCree will also be renamed. And that's even better. Now everything is healed. No. Feminism finally won the day. Everything has been solved. The peace has achieved, and the renaming will continue because it's the logical thing to do. After all, offended people are the leaders. Peace. It's rule. Okay, I can't do that. Not only will names referencing McCree being changed, but Grace also reported that names referencing former Diablo 4 director Luis Barriga and World of Warcraft designer Jonathan Lakecraft will also be so maybe they will rename, instead of Warcraft, it's going to be Warwoke or Warwoman. The game, the only game where every people should play, because it represents women's as the power figures. Men are slaves. Blizzard spokesman, nice, confirmed that the developer would be taking steps to remove these references. Quote, we can confirm that those references in World of Warcraft with Mixon, because you cannot say craft anymore, will be removed, the spokesman told Grayson. As noted above, these changes are being made following the state of California filing a sexual harassment panda lawsuit. Specifically after the state of California made its lawsuit Panda blue suit. Public, a photograph was published by Kotaku pointing out three developers allegedly in the former World of Warcraft. Senior creative director Lex Afrasiabi, now infamous Crosby Sweet. Oh boy. Let's move on. Interestingly, in response to a Twitter user who asked whether or not MacLeod would be renamed former World of Warcraft content designer Jennifer Glassing divulged that when Blizzard began development of the Capital Cities Quest content in 2015, she directed the game's voice directors to pronounce the city differently in order to curve the lore away from such a blatant reference to the now former employee. Yeah. I ask all of you for the song to pronounce Macquarie, wrote Glazing on Twitter. Because it was kind of silly that the capital city of Argus was named after the dove. Hashtag me too. So basically, in other words, Blizzard is actually doing the burning and then salting the ground. Then again, it's usually something that you have to do to appease that demographic. You know, the demographic that is currently responsible for the biggest gang ever. The one that runs protection rackets. No. Wait. Copy protection here. No. Copy editor here. MacLeod Craft and Baliga wasn't with R? Is it double R or double L? Down in the comics. Big on a copy editor here. God damn it. Director or something. To check these spellings. Bad, dude. Either way. Let's see, where was I? Oh yeah. Well, what's new? Blizzard and Activision have only been pumping out crappy games as of late. Something that... No, really. The last game that I actually have from Blizzard and Activision, yes, it's in fact Destiny. No, I did not purchase it. No, I actually got it free from my graphics card that initially I had a GeForce 770 that got burnt, shorted. Well, it went bye-bye. And I had to purchase the 1080 Ti. I got the code for that. And eventually I played it, and that was the last time I actually have any Blizzard and Activision game. But the last game or product that I actually wasted money on is from 2010. I actually pre-ordered a World of Warcraft Cataclysm. On that note, its box should be somewhere around there, which is not visible in the video. And well, shit happens. Either way, if you like this type of content, stay right here in goddamn fucking youtube.com/Dr. Jester. Or, no, there's no or. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button that you absolutely love my face. Yes, I'm watching. Because otherwise, how are you going to get a notification when this face is ready to be shown on your screen? After all, look at this. Look at it. Are you going to say no to this? Why are you going to say no to this, huh? Creepy. Anyway, let's see. Oh, yeah. On that bombshell. Have a great fucking night. Oh, thank you for watching. And have a great fucking night. There you go. I always punch my outro like this.